Good morning, student. Myself Digan Sakiwala, and today we will start more about the redox reaction. Okay, so redox reaction in that hot type of questions are come what is reducing agent and what is oxidizing agent. Okay, and we already know so many definition of reduction and oxidation, as well as we know that what is reducing agent and oxidizing agent. So many time it come in the exam that in particular reaction what is reducing agent and what is oxidizing agent. Student, always remember that in any reaction one substance is undergoing oxidation and other substance is undergoing reduction reaction, any reaction in that. Okay, or simple word in that we can say that in any reaction one is acid and other is base. So for acid and base that we will learn in the next chapter. Okay, so first we will concentrate here on the different type of reaction. Okay, it is already written on that. Okay, simple reaction is hydrogen, 1 mole of hydrogen react with oxygen, then we get H2O plus H2O. Now we will compare them. H2 and H2O. We will compare the H2 and H2. Whenever we compare the H2 and H2O, we find that oxygen is added. Okay, oxygen is added, so this is for oxidation reaction. If it is oxidation reaction, then hydrogen is reducing agent. Understand? Then hydrogen is what? Reducing agent. Now compare second thing. Oxygen and water. Oxygen and water. What is the separate thing? Separate thing is here hydrogen. Okay, separate thing is hydrogen. Hydrogen is added. Oxygen is removed. Okay, two oxygen, one oxygen, hydrogen is added. Addition of hydrogen is called reduction reaction. So O2 is undergoing the reduction reaction. So O2 is what here? Oxidizing agent. Okay, get it? Okay, we will go on the second reaction. H2 plus Cl to give HCl plus HCl. We will compare H2 and HCl. Whenever you compare H2 and HCl, what you find, hydrogen is 2 here, hydrogen is 1. Okay, 2 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen. Hydrogen is removed. As hydrogen is removed, this reaction is what? Oxidation reaction. What is that reaction? This reaction is what? Oxidation reaction. As hydrogen is undergoing oxidation reaction, so hydrogen is what? Reducing agent. Okay, hydrogen is what? Reducing agent. Compare the other reaction. Cl2 and HCl. Cl2, HCl, Cl is big less, 2Cl, 1Cl, hydrogen is added. Hydrogen is added, so this reaction is what? Reduction reaction. As this reaction is undergoing reduction reaction, chlorine is oxidizing agent. Okay? More reaction here. Compare the reaction in that copper plus oxygen, cupric oxide plus cupric oxide. Cupric oxide and cuprous oxide, difference is here. Cupric oxide simple CuO, in that Cu is plus 2 charge, cuprous oxide in that Cu has plus 1 charge. Okay, oxygen is already minus 2. Okay, now compare the reaction Cu and CuO. Cu and Cu, whenever you combine, whenever you compare, then oxygen is added. When the oxygen is added, that reaction is called oxidation reaction. As it is undergoing oxidation reaction, the Cu is called what? Reducing agent. Now compare oxygen and CuO. Oxygen and CuO. O is 2, oxygen is 1. O is 2, oxygen is 1. Oxygens are reduced. Okay, oxygens are reduced. So oxygens are decreased. That is called reduction reaction. As it is undergoing reduction reaction, O2 is what? Oxidizing agent. Okay, your concepts are clear. Same way we will go here. CuO, cupric oxide plus hydrogen gives copper plus water. Okay, compare CuO and Cu. CuO and Cu. Oxygen was there, oxygen not here. Oxygens are removed, oxygen is removed in the reaction, so it is a reduction reaction. So CuO is an oxidizing agent. Are you getting? Second thing, compare H2 and H2O. H2 and H2O. You find oxygen is added, so oxidation reaction. So H2 is what? Reducing agent. Okay, reducing agent. Compare about the zinc oxide plus carbon plus gives zinc plus carbon monoxide. Okay, this is carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide and cobalt. This is the difference. This is called cobalt. In that carbon is C is positive now, O is small letter. Carbon monoxide, in that what happened? This is carbon monoxide, in that carbon monoxide in that both are carbon, C and O both are capital letter. So zinc oxide and zinc, whenever you compare zinc oxide and zinc, oxygen is removed here whenever you compare. So this reaction is reduction reaction. It is undergoing reduction reaction. So this one is oxidizing agent. Compare here carbon and carbon monoxide. Carbon and carbon monoxide, in that oxygen is added. Carbon and oxygen is added. So it is oxidation reaction. So carbon is what? Reducing agent. Last reaction is most important. You have to look after the charges. Here hydrogen and oxygen is absent totally. Okay, you have to take the charges. You have to consider the charges. Now plus charges are there, means electrons are less and protons are more. Plus charges are there. And minus charges are there. It indicates that electrons are more and protons are less. If somewhere charge is not given, means number of proton and electrons are same. Understood here? Now we will check. Cu has no charge, so proton and electrons are same, 0. I2 has no charge, proton and electrons are same, so 0. Cu now become a plus 2. Plus 2 I told you. Plus 2 or 2 plus means what here? Protons are more, electrons are less. How many electrons are less? 2 electrons are less. Here I is minus 1 but 2 I is present, so 2 electrons are more. When minus charges are there, 1 electron but multiply with 2, so it is minus 2 electrons are more, 2 electrons are less. Now we will compare Cu and Cu2 plus. Cu and Cu2 plus, initially no electron was gain or lose, but after some time Cu has plus 2. When electrons are released, Cu2 plus, electrons are released, then this reaction is called what? What is it called? Oxidation reaction. It is called oxidation reaction, and it is always occur on anode. Okay. Second, iodine I2. It has 0 charge, no electrons are added, but after some time it get minus charge. It means that electrons are added. So on cathode, I2 get 2 electron and it convert into 2I minus. This reaction is called the reduction reaction. What is it called? It is called reduction reaction. Okay. So copper is undergoing oxidation reaction. Copper is undergoing on the oxidation reaction. So copper is here reducing agent. Iodine is undergoing reduction reaction. So iodine is what here? Oxidizing agent. Okay. So this is all about the today's session. Next time we will see about the corrosion, and second thing we will see about what? We will learn about the rancidity. Okay. Thank you so much.